I know what your problem is. It was my problem too. You see people making money online and you can't figure it out. They show you earnings proof, fancy cars, mansions. These are fake gurus. Stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you their secret. It's so simple. By the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what they do and how they do it. If you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you the number one reason why people don't make money online. The number one reason why people don't make money online, and something that you can fix very easily. How much money a month do you need to earn to be comfortable? Leave a comment below. Okay, audience, problem, solution. Find an audience you can market to. Okay, now that would be either free traffic or paid traffic. That's your audience. Okay, your audience is where you're getting your traffic from. Okay, now it could be Google ads, could be Facebook ads, could be Instagram ads, could be YouTube ads, could be any ads. Okay, some of the organic methods, some of the free traffic methods would be Facebook groups, could be TikTok shorts, could be YouTube shorts, could be Instagram reels, Instagram stories, could be free traffic. Can also be email marketing, because once you collect somebody's email, you have them for life for free. Okay, let's check. The first thing we got to do is find an audience that has a problem. Then we're going to have to find a solution to that problem and figure out how we're going to market it to them. Okay, let's jump right inside. Okay, I'm here at Digistore 24. Digistore 24 is a marketplace for affiliate products. Okay, so you're going to find your products here. Now you don't have to go to Digistore 24. You can go to JVZoo. You can go to ClickBank. You can get affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate products for just about anybody. You can take whatever your niche is and go to Google and search your niche affiliate programs and find a product for it. So you would find your niche, whatever your niche was. Now over here on the left side are all the niches: animals and pets, betting systems, business, computers, dancing, dating, email marketing. Okay, so these are all the niches. So if you already have a following, if you have an Instagram account in a certain niche, you would go over here and you would find the niche and you would find a product, you find something that would solve their problem. Okay, but I'm going to go over to sorting over here, and now it's automatically sorted by sales rank. I'm going to go down and sort by cancellation rate, because I want a product, a good product that doesn't get returned. Okay, so now the first product comes up, says a preset pack for wedding photographers. I'm not really interested in that, and it only gives a 20% commission. Not really interested in that. Going down to the next one is the Natural Teeth Whitener, $75 commission. Not too bad. Okay, they got a 12% conversion rate. That means for everybody you send to the sales page, here's the sales page. They're going to send people to the sales page. They're going to convert at 12%. And the cancellation rate is 0%. Okay, so nobody's returning this stuff. It's pretty good. It's a $200 item. You're making $75 on every sale. When you figure out what your audience's problem is and you find the product to solve the problem, now you found the product, you want to make sure it has two things. It has a sales page. It should have a sales page. I have it up here, right here. So this is their sales page. This sales page, they say, is converting at 12%. So for every 100 people, they're going to make 12 sales. Okay, for every 100 people, they're going to make 12 sales. This is the sales page, and it converts at 12%, like I said. All right, now the other thing you're going to want to look for is an affiliate support page. Right over here, affiliate support page. It's right over here. Now it looks kind of the same, but it's different up here. It's got your affiliate links. It's got email swipes, banners that you can use in your ads and in your Facebook posts and your social media posts. Email swipes are very important. We're going to get to that in a minute. So it's even going to tell you the traffic tips. Best converting traffic is in email and Facebook and Google. Traffic tips, USA, Canada, Australia. Traffic tip number 3 is both men and women, but 90% of sales are women, right? So it's telling you who to market to, who to target right away. And they're giving you email marketing, email swipes. Now, okay, they give you a sales funnel, and you don't even have to write these. This is all done for you. You find a product that has everything made for you, and all you have to do is download it. And let me show you this now. The next step, now you've got your product. So this is how the funnel works. You have traffic, whether it's free traffic from a Facebook group, from TikTok, from YouTube, okay, free traffic. Paid traffic would be Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and the like, okay? So you're going to send them to a place called a landing page, okay? You're going to collect their email. It's an email capture page, okay? You're going to give them maybe you're going to offer them something free, but in this case, you're not. But there's different strategies. Sometimes you can offer something free in order to get their email. So you're going to get them to sign up with their email. When you collect their email, now they're going to be on what's called an autoresponder, and you're going to be on your email list, and they're going to automatically trigger the autoresponder. So once they do that, they're going to go to the offer page. A certain percentage of them are going to buy at the offer page. Now, we were told 12% of people are going to buy once they get to the sales page. So 12% of people are going to buy here. But now you collected their email. So the people who didn't buy then, you're going to send them an email every day for however many days. There may be 7, there may be 10, there may be 30 in that email swipes that they already have done for you. And you just set this all up, all right? And some people are going to convert on the first day with the email. Some people are going to convert on the 5th day with the email. So you've already made 12% when they went to the sales page. Now you're starting to make more money from people that are converting from the email that you got for free. You got their email for free. Now, after they've gone through and bought this offer, they're in a certain niche with it. Now, if you use the niche, if you just did what I did with the whitening teeth, they may be in a cosmetic niche. So you follow up with another offer. Okay, and you just keep emailing them stuff, different offers every month, and you put them through different sales funnels. Once you collect an email is worth $1 a month per email, an email list. Okay, a good email list. So what they're going to do is you're going to scrub the email list. So let's say people don't open your emails for like the 5 times. Then you take them off the list. They're not interested in your stuff. But if they've opened the emails, you keep them on the list. That's scrubbing your list. And a good scrubbed list is worth, like I said, $1 an email per month. Okay. Now, what's this going to look like? So we said 10,000 people are going through, right? 12% of the people are going to convert on the sales page, right? At $75 a piece is 90,000. That's who's going here. So then through the email marketing program, we're going to get, so we said another 10,000. The same 10,000 people are going through the funnel. Okay, 12% of them went and paid here. The rest of them went through here, and they converted at 20%. 2,000 people bought at $75 is another $150,000. $150,000 plus 90,000, $240,000 running this campaign. Okay, now just so you know, this isn't pie in the sky. This is a numbers game. If they're saying it converts at 12%, that's what it converts at, because they've already sent many people through the funnel, and that's what it converts at. All you have to do is get the traffic and send it there. That's the secret to this, okay? The secret is, now, of course, you have to have things that convert. You have to have a landing page that converts. That may take some time to test. You may have to change words around and change photos around. Now, what do you need to do all of this stuff? You need software. If you want to play with the big boys and you want to make money online, you need software. I use the software called Builderall. You can use ClickFunnels, Builderall, Lead Pages, whatever software you use, but this is what you do no matter what software you use. I think Builderall is the best for the money. You get so many more tools than everything else, okay? Smash that like button. Okay, this is what I was talking about with the mailing form, with the email autoresponder. Okay, so they go onto your email list, they sign up on the landing page, they sign up for the email list right here. Then automatically they start getting emails one a day. Now, in these emails, it's sales copy. You're selling the product, you're giving advice, you're giving value, and you're trying to sell the product. So by the 4th or 5th time, the majority of them are going to buy, because people aren't going to buy on the first exposure. They're going to buy on the 5th, 7th exposure. By the time they've seen something so many times, okay, they're going to buy it then. They're not going to buy it the first time. So again, with Builderall, it has all of these apps, okay, for one price. Not like these other ones where you got to buy, your mailing list over here, your autoresponder, and then over here you got to get your web pages, your landing pages, and your sales funnels and all that stuff. This is everything in one place. Okay. Over here, they have a Cheetah website builder. Cheetah is like the really fast website funnel. They have automatic funnels that you can build. Okay. Templates, chat bots webinar builder, e-learning. You can make courses, app, all of this stuff. If you're going to be playing with the big boys, now again, you need these tools to make the money online. I played around with, trying to do stuff for free and getting stuff in all different places. And until I got serious and getting everything in one place, that made the difference. Because then, and again, it's time to get serious, get the tools you need to make money online. This is the secret. This is what people are doing. This is how they're doing it. And they need tools. They need a website builder. They need a landing page. They need an email capture. They need autoresponder. They need all of these tools, and you can get them all in one place for one price. Okay. So I told you I was going to tell you by the end of the video the number one reason why people don't make money online and how to fix it. The number one reason why people don't make money online. It's very obvious. Everybody, you can tell the number one reason why, but nobody tells you this. The number one reason why nobody makes money online is lack of action. You're not going to do anything. I just laid everything out for you. Just laid it all out. All the tools are there. All the copy is there. All the sales copy. All the funnels. All the email swipes. All the creatives. All the pictures and the photos and everything is there for you. You don't have to do anything but to put it together. But you're not gonna. Most people aren't going to put it together. Most people aren't going to do anything. Most people are going to sit and think it doesn't work. It's a numbers game. It's a numbers game. You have to send the numbers through the funnel. Send the numbers through the funnel converts, and that's just the way it is. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. YouTube has decided that this is the video you need to see next. So click it right now.